I just picked up the SONY a7S III here in Stockholm, Sweden. And I'm a little scared. Because my expectations are sky high. Truth is that I didn't love the EOS R that I'm now replacing. I know that's my own shortcoming. It's I who suck, not the camera, because I've seen what amazing quality the master filmmakers like Matti Haapoja and Peter McKinnon could get out of that machine. But still, I am who I am. I'm not perfect, I'm still learning. The first camera that I loved was the Nikon D80. The photos I took when I lived in Pakistan in 2007 are still many of my best photos. That was on a 10 megapixel APS-C sensor camera. I shot in JPEG and I had never opened Lightroom. And I loved the 1DX Mark II for video. We shot the video of my wife that got 27 million views. I loved the clean image and the 120 FPS. But it didn't have a flip-out screen, which in the end became ridiculous. I was filming myself outside the frame, I was filming myself out of focus, I was filming myself talking for 10 minutes with recording off. So I switched to the EOS R. Now my hope is that the SONY a7S III will again be a camera I love. If you haven't seen my video on why I divorced Canon for video, I'll link it at the end of this one. Alright, so first item, I don't know what it is. It's a cable lock. Charger. UK plug. There's a Swedish one too. Battery. And here it is. Alright, so this is it, guys. You ready? Nothing. I guess we're gonna have to charge the battery. Alright, are we ready for a second try? Yes! I'll start with this tiny little baby lens, 1.855mm. I'll make a separate video comparing the memory cards, but I'll start with the new CF Express. Frankly, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's go out and film the Virgin clip.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together. I can be like the tree
This Sony purchase is following my strategy to get free take for life. That's probably my most useful video I've made on this channel, so this one should be free, even though I'm paying full price for it. Link below. But will I love it? Subscribe to find out.